Hi, and welcome to Flower Budget's Case Study Fridays. Today, we're meeting Tasha, a determined woman who realized that financial stability doesn't happen by accident. It happens through consistent action, intentional budgeting, and a clear plan. Like many people, Tasha wasn't struggling because she didn't earn enough money. She was struggling because her money didn't have a job. Bills were getting paid, but savings weren't growing. Unexpected expenses felt overwhelming, and she often wondered where her money went each month. Tasha knew something had to change. Her first step was taking an honest look at her finances. She reviewed her income, expenses, debt, and spending habits. What she discovered was eye-opening. Small purchases, inconsistent planning, and a lack of clear financial goals were preventing her from making progress. Instead of trying to change everything overnight, Tasha focused on creating a simple system she could actually follow. That's when she began using the flower budgets method. She started by dividing her income into three categories: 60% for bills and fixed expenses, 20% for variable expenses and cash budgeting, 20% for savings and debt goals. This simple structure gave every dollar a purpose. Next, Tasha created a monthly budget and began tracking her spending. She used cash budgeting for categories where she tended to overspend and set small savings goals she could consistently achieve. At first, the changes felt small. But month after month, those small changes started producing big results. Her savings account began growing. She felt more confident paying bills. Financial stress started decreasing because she finally knew where her money was going. Most importantly, she stopped feeling stuck. Tasha learned that financial stability isn't about being perfect. It's about building strong habits, making intentional decisions, and staying consistent even when progress feels slow. Give every dollar a job. Create a simple budget you can stick to. Track your spending regularly. Focus on progress, not perfection. Small steps create long-term financial growth. If Tasha's story sounds familiar, remember that change starts with one decision. You don't have to transform your finances overnight. You simply need a plan and the commitment to keep going. Thank you for joining me for today's Case Study Fridays episode. If you enjoyed Tasha's story, be sure to like, subscribe, and share this video with someone who is working toward financial stability and growth. Until next time, remember, small steps, big blossoms.